temples we visited in the afternoon.
Fourth.
This is fourth one. Okay. Please tell the names in order. Huh?
Tiruvayur.
Tiruvallarai. Okay. Second. Third.
Tirupper.
Fourth.
Steady-ஆ நிக்கணும்.
Okay. So, first temple enna story sonne? The first one, Tiruvallarai, with what story?
Shibi.
And the second temple, you remember where we went? Rendavadu Koil, the second one? Yeah, Uttamar. Okay, Uttamar. What deity you saw there? Beautiful. Yeah, sleeping with that beautiful pearl mala, everything. Right? You saw that. Muttangi Sevai. Right? So the second temple is Uttamar Kovil. Uttamar Kovil is the place where there is Narayana, there is Shiva, and there is Brahma. All the three are there. Inside that main temple, Narayana irukkaru, Shivan, Brahma, மூன்று பேருமே இருக்காங்க. So once Brahmaji did a very huge yajna for the benefit of this whole world. உலகத்தின் நன்மைக்காக பிரம்மா வந்து ஒரு மகா பெரும் யாகம் செய்தார். He did a very big yajna, right? So he had a feeling, I am very close to the Lord. நான் வந்து பகவானுக்கு ரொம்ப பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறேன் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு எண்ணம் அவருக்கு. Anyway, the Lord knows me. I am so close to Him. I am devoted to Him. He knows everything about me and He specially favors me. பகவானுக்கு வந்து என்னை எப்போவுமே தெரியும். நான் பகவான் கூடயே இருக்கிறேன். இல்லைனாலும் எனக்கு பகவானுடைய கருணை எப்போவுமே இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு எண்ணம் இருக்குது. He had a feeling like that. உங்களில் எவ்வளோ பேருக்கு you have a feeling that you are very close to God? Whatever it is, Lord will take care of me special. Do you have that feeling? That is faith. Faith is okay, but idhula and the faith la or ego. It's a little bit of ego inside the faith. And Brahmaji had that feeling. Brahma ku kuda and the feeling irundhathu. Bhagavan வந்து என் கூட இருக்காரு. So Krishna disappeared from the yajna. அந்த யாக குண்டத்திலிருந்து பகவான் அப்பிரதீஷமாயிட்டார். Then he stood as a kadamba maram. He was standing as a kadamba tree, kadamba maraman. So now Brahma is searching for Vishnu, hunting for Vishnu. Vishnuவை தேடிட்டு இருக்கார் Brahma. Right? So he is not able to locate Vishnu. Vishnu என்னவா நிக்கிறாரு? kadamba மரம் நிக்கிறாரு. பிரம்மாக்கு கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியல. Finally he surrendered and gave up. I thought you are very close to me and I know you personally, but pochu ella shattered. Oh Lord, you are everything. Like that he finally surrendered. So but still he is not able to locate Vishnu. At that time Lord Shiva came as a beggar. ஒரு பிக்ஷக்காரனாக அவர் வந்தார். யாரு? Shiva. Lord Shiva came. So automatically Lakshmi Devi, they were all standing like trees. Kadamba Marama நின்னுட்டு இருக்காங்க ரெண்டு பேர். Both of them were standing like trees. Because Lord Shiva came as a beggar, automatically Lakshmi Devi gave donation, some kind of dana. So Brahmaji found out, oh, they are standing there, right? So this is a beautiful pastime where affectionately Lord Narayana proved and instructed Brahma not to have ego. ரொம்ப அன்பால சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருந்தார். என்ன வேண்டான்னு? Ego. It should not be ego. As we progress, there should not be even a tinge of ego. ஆன்மீகமா உயர உயர எது இருக்கக்கூடாது? ஈகோவே இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஆனால் இந்த ஹரே கிருஷ்ணாக்காரங்களுக்கு என்ன பிரச்சனைன்னா எல்லாமே தெரியும்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. You know, they have a feeling that we know everything. You know about 4 Vedas, we know about this thing, you know, Bhagavatam, some of them know also, true, but still everybody has got a feeling. Don't do that, attention. It is very dangerous. So, once Devamrita Maharaj told this joke, 3 students came out of a medical college, and you know, they know everything. Medical college, 3 பேர் படிச்சிட்டு வராங்க, அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும். So one man was limping and coming closer, அப்படி நோண்டி நடந்து வந்துட்டு இருக்காரு. So all the 3 were discussing. One is telling he has got a neuro problem. அவருக்கு வந்து நரம்பு சுளுக்கிருச்சு. Another is telling no, he has got ortho problem. Another one is no, it is definitely arthritis. அவங்க தெரிஞ்சதெல்லாம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. You know, this is the, and கடைசியில் அந்த நொண்டி வர்றவர் பக்கத்தில் வந்துட்டார். He came, you know, that limping man came very closer. So they said, okay, let us ask him. Let us see who is who gave the right answer. Then they asked, why are you limping? And that சொன்னா என் செருப்பு பிஞ்சு போயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னு. My chappal broke, that's why I am limping. Right? So it's very difficult. It is very, very difficult. Even Balaram could not understand the Lord. Right? Even Rukmini Devi could not understand Lord. Even Brahma could not understand Lord. If at all we know Lord, you know, some certain percentage, that is His causeless mercy. So you remember that beautiful Purushottama lying there? You saw the face, it was so nice and this thing. Uttamar ki. Then the next one, second one, well, the third one.
Anvil.
Have you heard about a rishi called Manduka Rishi? Manduka Rishi. Manduka means what? Frog. This rishi is a very particular character. Once he goes inside, deep inside for water for meditation, he will never come out. He will meditate inside water for years and years. That is why he was called Manduka Rishi. You know, he goes inside water. So Durvasa waiting on the bank, on the top of the bank. மேல தண்ணிக்கு மேல வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கார் Durvasa. Manduka Rishi உள்ள, he went inside for tapasya, and he is not coming out. And Durvasa was waiting and waiting and waiting, and finally Durvasa got so angry, he cursed Manduka Rishi. You know, he cursed Manduka Rishi. So it seems we always have misunderstanding in Vaishnava relationships. வைணவர்களுக்கு நடுவில் இருக்கிற உறவில் வந்து எப்பவுமே மிஸ்அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழில்? கருத்து வேறுபாடு. கருத்து வேறுபாடு இருக்கும். How many of you have experienced this misunderstanding? Yeah, either we don't understand or we misunderstand. The proper understanding varadhu, right? And out of nothing there will be small ego, right? So I will give you now I'll ask you a puzzle riddle. You have to answer me before tomorrow morning, before I leave. There was a great king. This is there explained in Bhagavatam. There was a great king, Maharaja Nimi Chakravarti. How many of you have read Bhagavatam fully?
I've heard the name.
You heard the name. Very good. Nimi Maharaj. Huh? You have heard this name, Nimi Maharaj. He wanted to do a special sacrifice. He invited Vasishta, great sage Vasishta. Vasishta told Nimi, I will come later. Now I am performing the sacrifice of Indra, because Indra is paying more dakshina than Nimi Maharaj. Vasishta anga poitar, right? So Nimi thought anyway Vasishta is not showing interest. He called another sage and performed the yajna. Vasishta came back, got angry and cursed Nimi to die. Right? Nimi died. But Nimi was a very great Vaishnava, Param Vaishnava. So demigods came and told Nimi, we will give you another body, you please come back. Because without you, this world will struggle. We need Param Bhagavatas like you. We will replace a body for you. Nimi said, done, it's done. I don't carry anything from this material world. what is the point? I was trying to finish this body. Indirectly, he helped me. Thank you very much. But demigods forced Nimi to take birth again. And he took birth as a very great Vaishnava. We all know him. And the question is, who is that Vaishnava? You have to answer tomorrow. You have time till tonight. Tomorrow you have to answer.
How many years back? How many years back, Nimi?
How many years back?
Roughly, if you give a time.
This is even before Lord Ramachandra. Very great Vaishnava, and we all know that name, that personality. Right? No clue. Okay. Huh?
If we don't get it,
If you don't get it, I don't know what to do. If you get it, I'll give you a special gift. Okay, so what is the temple we were discussing about?
Unable.
And so Mandukya Rishi got cursed by Durvasa. So that is the place, Mandukya Rishi. This happened in Satyayuga. So the Tiruanbil temple, that deity, you saw another Lord Vishnu lying down. That deity is from Satyayuga. Minimum 16 lakh years. That deity which we went, lakhs and lakhs of years. The deity will go under the earth for many years, then again some devotee will come and renovate. So, just to bless Mandukya Rishi, that deity appeared in Satyayuga. And now we are here in Appakudatha. This is a sweet pastime of a devotee. You know, he comes and he performs lot of devotional service. So his service was feeding 1,000 brahmanas. You know, that is his. See, when we go to all these temples, you can see all the stories are related to Vaishnava Seva, some way or other. So Tirumangayalvar was serving. So here this Brahmana was serving thousands of devotees. You know, he was serving so many people. So one day his devotional life was so sweet, Lord wanted to come and sit in the queue and eat with other people. He also wanted to come and sit. You know, Lord loves the company of Vaishnavas. You know that story of Ramayana where Lavakusha was narrating Ramayana, you know the story? Lord Ram climbed down the Singhasan, came and stood with others and listened. So here the Lord, he wanted to come and sit with all the other devotees in the queue and eat. And he was so hungry and devoted, this Narayana finished off the whole kitchen. They kept on serving him, he's eating because he forgotten that he's eating, you know, because he was sitting with devotees. So happy he was talking to everybody and keep on eating. And they also thought this is some Brahmana came from some village. Maybe this guy is very hungry, he's eating a lot. But he was talking and talking with all the devotees and he ate off. So much he ate off. Finally, the devotee who is cooking, he said, Brahmana, please stop. We have to feed others. Then he said, you are so sweet. I cannot stop. The thing which you are serving is so sweet. Right? Then he said, okay, what should I do so that you will stop eating? Then he said, bring me a pot full of appam. Right? Give that appam. And that pot should never get over. That is the only way now you can stop me. So it seems Lord is there inside. In the bottom there is a pot and his hand is always inside the pot. Appam pot. Right? So devotees are so sweet. He stays with the devotee. He never leaves the devotee. Right? Devotional life. So all these places are very important. Some pastimes are from ages. Years and years. Thank you very much for coming to Trichy. Hare Krishna.